Today in the FlyLady 31 Baby Step Challenge, it's a fun one, literally. We've been doing so many habits, and today we're going to add one more. We're going to give ourselves 15 minutes of fun every single day. Add that to your afternoon or anywhere that it fits in your schedule. And that's going to be one of your habits moving forward. We have had so many habits so far, and I know you can see a drastic difference in your home if you've been following along with this challenge. If you haven't, it's not too late. Feel free to start all over or just jump in right where you are. With the FlyLady, you could always do that. But for the 31 baby steps, I highly recommend starting from the beginning because there's so many core habits that we will develop during these 31 days. And speaking of habits, so far our habits have been dressing to shoes, making our beds, a 2-minute hotspot, a 5-minute room rescue, a 15-minute email declutter, a load of laundry. We've also been doing 15 minutes of declutter in our zones, 15 minutes of rest. We've also been starting our dinners. We have also been shining our sink and checking our control journals morning, afternoon, and night. In the evening, we've also been checking our calendar as well. We've been drinking our water and going to bed on time. All day we have been saying kind words to ourselves, slowing down and enjoying each and every moment. We will be starting a super cool challenge soon in the Homemakers Circle. It's called Thankful and Tidy. So be sure to join the Homemakers Circle if you don't want to miss that. There's also more exclusive guides, printables, and never before seen content in the Homemakers Circle. So be sure to join if you're interested. It's only $10 or $20 a month. I'll leave the details down below, and I'll see you tomorrow for day 29 of the FlyLady 31 Baby Step Challenge. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, to God be the glory. Bye.